Hello everyone, my name is Kaann Howden and I am the owner and creative director of Celebrate 3D Event Renderings. We are a 3D event rendering software for event planners just like you. So we are on day 3 of the takeover. I've been reading your comments and I'm so happy and I'm so blessed that you guys love it as much as I do. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so today is day 3 and today we are doing a social event. So totally different than the weddings that we did the last 2 days. This is for the event planners who do social events. These are the birthdays, these are the baby showers. Yeah, you can also use this program for that also. Balloons, plinths, arch backdrops, ribbed backdrops, custom wraps. All of it can be done within this program. So you can elevate your client experience by offering them a 3D rendering of their event. How cool is that? It's amazing. I know. It is. I love it. So I will not keep you guys any longer, but please do remember, if you have not already done it, down below to make sure that you sign up for the wait list. We are launching very soon and I can't wait for you guys to be on the list so you guys will get the emails with more features, more benefits, and early access to the program. So make sure that you guys do sign up. And I can't wait for you guys to see this setup. The setup is pretty cool, actually. It's bright. It's totally different than what we did the past 2 days. So I'm excited for you guys to see, and I can't wait to meet you guys in the comments to find out what you guys like about it. All right, I'll see you then. Take care. Bye-bye. Hey everyone, so I'm switching things up today and I am going to do a kids event, so a social event. You will guess the theme shortly, and I'm going to show you how you can customize your arches, how you can customize your balloon arch to make it your own. Right here I'm just placing everything as needed. And if you guys don't know, kids events are my specialty. I love doing kids events, children's events. It just brings me joy. Since my daughter was born 13 years ago, kids events have always been my go-to events that I love planning. So here I am just placing everything and I am adding my own custom wraps, as you would call it. So for example, if you have a certain pattern, you can upload those and you can apply it to your inventory, to your props. It's easy to do. You just have to upload it and then just apply it. And since the majority of our props are standard sizes, but you do have some that are custom. I know that whenever I create a custom item, it's to my liking, it's to my standards, right? So the sizes are different and you have the ability to change the sizes within the program so it is to scale, which is the beautiful thing. So now I'm just going to be adding in these balloons. These are just basic regular balloons. I am just changing the color to give it a pop with the white. Okay, so I'm continuing with the customization. I am adding in here the 3-tier dessert stand, and I am adding a 3D astronaut to the top and of course to the backdrop also, which you can also customize. With this arch here, I am making sure that the birthday girl's name is front and center by customizing and adding her own signature name there. And there you have it. This is the 3D rendering here, just showcasing all of the attention to detail. I can't wait for you guys to try out the software, which it is launching soon. So please do sign up with the link down below for our wait list. We are launching very, very soon, so we do want to make sure that you're on that list so that you would be notified as soon as we do. So please tune in tomorrow as you will be seeing from design concept to reality, one of the baby showers that I have done, and I can't wait to show you guys tomorrow. I'll see you then. Take care. Bye-bye.